Good afternoon, friends. Today what you're going to do is you're going to practice breathing buddies. I'm going to show you what you're going to do after you watch this video. The first thing that you're going to do that we talked about this morning is you're going to be mindful. So you're going to sit for just a second and you're going to think about what you are thinking and feeling, right? So remember, being mindful means that you are thinking and paying attention to your thoughts, you're thinking and paying attention to your body and your surroundings, what's going on around you. So just take a second, close your eyes, think about what you're thinking, think about what you're feeling, think about what is going on around you. Okay. What you'll do first before you do the breathing buddies, once you've been mindful, is you will take this page. This page has a person on it, and you're going to write how you are feeling. You can write or you can draw before you do breathing buddies. So maybe you have some butterflies in your tummy. You can show how you feel by drawing your face. Maybe you're feeling cool or really hot. If you're feeling cool, maybe you want to draw yourself blue. If you're feeling hot, maybe you'll draw yourself red to represent you hot and cold. Maybe if you're feeling like you are in the red zone, you'll color yourself red. Or maybe you're feeling in the yellow zone today and you want to color yourself yellow. Maybe you heard some things around you. You can draw those things that you heard around you. So you are filling this first one out before you do breathing buddies with what you are feeling. Okay? Then, when you're finished with your drawing, what you're going to do is you're going to find a stuffed animal. Make sure that it is small enough that it can fit on your tummy. Okay? I have my friend Mr. Kitty here. He can fit on my tummy, so I'm going to use him as an example. Once I have my stuffed animal, I'm going to lay down in a nice, calm, quiet spot in the classroom. You're going to choose a nice, calm, quiet spot in your house. It doesn't necessarily have to be on the floor. It could be your bed, could be the couch, whatever works for you. Then what you're going to do, lay down, put your stuffed animal on your tummy, okay? And then what you're going to really focus on is your breathing. You're going to breathe in and you're going to try to move your belly up as you're breathing in and taking in all that air. As you're breathing out, you're going to move your belly down so that that air comes out of your mouth. And as you're doing this, you'll notice that your breathing buddy is moving up and down with your belly. Okay? So what you might want to do is put your hands behind your head to make it easier for you to see the stuffed animal that is on your belly. And then you're going to follow that stuffed animal with your eyes as you take a deep breath in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. And what I'm doing is I'm watching Mr. Kitty go up as I breathe in and down. And he's not moving a lot, just a little bit, and that's okay. But it's helping me think about my breathing, and it's really calming me down. So what you're going to do is you're going to practice that for a little while. I would say about 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, because this helps you be mindful. It thinks about your breathing. And when we're doing nice, calm breaths, what happens is our whole body calms down. Our mind calms down. And we kind of slow down. right? It is another way for us to be mindful. After you have done some deep breathing with your breathing buddy for 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to flip over that paper of the individual, and you're going to write and draw what you feel after you do the breathing buddies. So right now I'm feeling warm, so maybe I would color my body in a little red because I'm feeling nice and warm. I'm feeling calm, so maybe I would draw hearts in my head because I'm feeling calm. Maybe I can draw a calm face, a nice little smile, open, calm eyes. I could draw that my tummy feels calm, so it could be like I could draw what it would look like at a calm lake or pond, how the water is not moving. You could draw anything that makes you think of how you are feeling after you do the breathing buddies. So again, before you start the breathing buddies, to practice a way to be mindful, you are going to draw or write down how you are feeling before you do the breathing buddies. Then you will find your stuffed animal of choice, lay down in a special spot that's calm and cozy in your home, put the stuffed animal on your tummy, and watch the stuffed animal move up and down as you take deep breaths in and out. Okay? Making sure that you're thinking about those nice deep breaths, okay? And your animal moving up and down. After, you will flip over that paper and you will draw or write what you feel after you've done breathing buddies for 5 to 10 minutes. Ask a parent or whoever is taking care of you today to set a timer to help you know how long you've been doing this for. Okay? Then draw how you are feeling now. Okay? You could even write some words, and if you try your best spelling, it doesn't matter if it's spelled wrong, right? All I care about is that you're trying your best. Right? So once you do that, then you're finished with the activity. Okay? I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.